Welcome from Australia.
Welcome.
Still, you might not see it because we have already our trusted winter jackets on because it's kind of cold here. We just learned that there's a cyclone somewhere here in Australia bringing some cold weather. But at least I have still my surf shorts on, so I keep the Australian spirit somehow. Yep. Now we are on our first stop, which is actually would be the last stop of the Great Ocean Road.
Port Fairy.
Port Fairy, because we have decided to do it the other way around.
Just because it was raining all day long yesterday, so we decided to have a drive day. Drive to the end of the Great Ocean Road and then just do it the other way around. And now we are on Griffith Island, which is just off Port Fairy. You can just walk on it via a little footbridge.
Yeah.
And it's very scenic here, and yeah, we look forward to our walk around the island.
With another lighthouse.
Yeah.
Like everywhere. And here we have like a beautiful view over the...
Very beautiful.
The water is very blue.
Yes, as always.
As always. And yeah, now let's go.
And explore the Great Ocean Road.
Woo! We are now at the arch. We are almost at the end of the Great Ocean Road.
Not almost at the end of the Great Ocean Road, but we will eventually soon finally reach the 12 Apostles.
But now we can tell you the story of why the 12 Apostles are called 12 Apostles.
Yes.
In 1960
Or in the
1960s, they were not called the 12 Apostles. They were called
Sow and Pigeons, which translates to Säue and Ferkel in German.
Yeah.
Which is not nice in German,
Yeah.
and not a nice word or name in English either.
So nobody came here to see them. So one very intelligent guy or girl, who knows?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. He decided to name them something more poetic, which resulted in 12 apostles. Oh, actually in the apostles.
Apostles.
And since there are a dozen, the apostles, they had to call them 12 apostles. However, the rock formations, if you count them, you will not count 12. You will count 11. But they had to call it 12 because it was 12 apostles.
Yes.
But probably someday in 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 years, since the sea never stops and the stone you can see here in the back is very soft, probably someday you will really see 12. That's it. Awesome story. Very educating here on V to the World. We're here on the second day on the Great Ocean Road. The weather is not as nice as yesterday.
Not as great.
Some even may say it's bad. This probably depends on whether you see a cup half empty or half full.
Yes.
But
and whether you like rain or not.
But we already had some great fun with birds already.
Yes.
Pretty fun. A lot of birds. Different birds.
Colorful birds.
Colorful birds.
Very nice.
Very hungry birds.
Yes.
Who
very
love
hungry.
sitting in the hand. And now we drove a little further and we got really lucky because up there in the trees probably somewhere there, oh, I mean not probably, probably you can see it or not, I don't know.
I'm not sure, but
let's try.
It's up there.
But it's somewhere up there. Probably Bianca will put it and we're gonna show you the koala. Oh yeah, easy as that. No, probably you couldn't see it on the GoPro, but trust us, it's there. We're just listening to our most favorite podcast here on the tour, the Cockpit Buddy. It's German, but if you speak German, it's very entertaining. You get to know everything about airplanes and flights and a lot of stuff. We are now here at Bells Beach, our last stop on the Great Ocean Road.
Which was actually also our first stop.
Yep, first and last.
Where we started and where we end the tour.
And it was a really beautiful drive. The 300 kilometers, I think it's in total. Totally worth it. So whenever you're here, so definitely check out the Great Ocean Road.
Yes.
And right now the wind is pretty strong, as you can see, so we have to talk in this direction. But we can give you a view now on the beautiful Bells Beach. There it is. Woohoo! So that was it. Next stop is gonna be Melbourne. We're gonna be the last 2 days. The last tour stop in Australia. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.